Alright guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the CRONOS domain name. As you can see, I'm on my Kiwi browser. For those of you using your phone, use your Kiwi browser, don't use Chrome browser. Alright, so those of you using your laptop, your MacBook, you can use your Chrome browser or your Brave browser. But the goal there is for you to have an extension, for you to have a MetaMask extension. Alright, so you can see I have my MetaMask extension. Those of you that don't have it, make sure you click on extensions here to download it. So when you click on extension, you will see you'll be redirected to a page where you can add an extension from Chrome Web Store. So just click on it, search for MetaMask using the search button here, and you import your seed phrase. You are good to go. It's as simple as that. So for those of you that have downloaded it, after importing your seed phrase, to import your seed phrase, you actually have to click on the extension again to import your seed phrase. You can see I have the whole thing here. So the next thing to do is to visit the website where you will be told to download the seed to buy the domain name. As you can see, chronos.domains. So you visit the website. Now when you visit the website, the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. All right, so we are going to connect to our MetaMask. Okay, it's going to redirect us to a page. Okay, just might at first it's going to redirect you to a page, but if you have been using it for a while, you'll just see this showing initializing. All right, what you need to do is to click on these three lines and scroll down to your MetaMask. You can see there is a blue button beside the MetaMask icon. So anytime you are using your Kiwi browser for any transaction and you need to approve a transaction, or you see something loading for a very long time, scroll down to where you see your MetaMask icon. If there's a sign there, a blue sign there, it means you have a pending stuff to approve. So we'll click on it. We'll click on the MetaMask icon there, and it will redirect us to this page. You can see this is what is asking us to approve. You can see we have to add the RPC, the network ID. All right, the chain ID. So we're going to click on approve here. Then we're going to switch from our Ethereum mainnet to the one that we just approved, which is the CRONOS network. So we're switching. Yeah, so as you can see I have 0 CRO. So the next thing we're going to do is to buy the domain name. So to buy the domain name, all right, you just have to switch back to the CRONOS domain name site. Then I think okay, we have not connected our wallet yet. We just approved the network, so we're going to connect our wallet again. Let's connect our wallet. Now I've connected it. You can see my address here. So the next thing we're going to do is to search for an ID, search for a name that no one has used before. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to search for it. Yeah, as you can see, no one has used it before. It's available, and it costs how much? It costs $10 per year. So I'm going to click on it. Clicking on it to buy it. I'm going to buy this domain name. Now you can see the process. First I have to register it, second I have to prove, and lastly I have to mint it. Okay, look at the process: register, approve, and mint. So let's do something. First you have to request. You are going to select the years you want to buy. You can see per year it is what, $10. So you can $10. So you can reduce the years by clicking on the minus sign to 1. All right, so by doing that I just have to click on continue. So I was told that I need 9.99 USDC for transaction, and I have 0 USDC in my wallet. So what does that imply? It means I have to go and fund my my USDC. I have to fund it with 10 USDC. I have to fund my MetaMask with 10 USDC under the CRONOS network. Don't go and fund it with BSC network or any other network. You have to fund it under the CRONOS network. What does this mean? Let me show you. Let us go back to our MetaMask. You can see our CRONOS here. You can't see USDC. You have to import USDC token, I have to import it first. So to import it, let's go and check CoinGecko for the contract address of CRONOS, of USDC under the CRONOS network. Let's search for USDC, and yeah, USD coin. Then we'll scroll down to where we see the overall contract address. You can see the contract addresses on different chain. So here we have CRONOS. This is CRONOS and this is the contract address. So let me copy it. Yes, I'll copy it and take it back to my MetaMask and paste the contract address there. When I paste it, I'll wait for the token symbol to appear and the token decimal. You can see it has appeared. We have USDC as 6. So I'll add the custom token and I'll import the token. It's simple. It's very simple. It's as simple as that. So I'll go back. You can see now I don't just have CRO, I also have USDC there. So how can I do this? How can I fund my USDC? Let's see. First, I think I will need CRO because that's the owner of the network. You will need it for gas fee and you also need it to swap to USDC. So let us get CRO. Let's see where we can get CRO. Let's see where we can get CRO. I'll check my my CoinGecko. Yes, this CRONOS. I'll check under exchanges. I can buy on crypto.com. I can buy on Mex Global. I can also buy on KuCoin. I can buy on OKEX. I can buy on Gate.io. Okay. I can also buy on Hotbit. Uniswap. Okay. I'm looking for Binance. Binance did not list CRO. I don't know why. Okay, you can also buy on FTX. And look at the price. The price is currently around 0.393 US dollar. So let's say we want to buy $11 worth of it because we need gas fee also. So I think you just have to buy 11 USDT worth of it, and that will be around 28 CRO. All right. So let's see if we can buy somewhere. Let's see if we can buy on Mex Global. Okay, so what you basically do is that listing those exchanges, I can just go to my Mex Global. If I don't have anything on my Mex Global, I can transfer USDT from Binance. I would advise you transfer up to like maybe 12 to 13 USDT or even up to 15 USDT from Binance to your Mex Global. Then from Mex Global, okay, you are going to swap USDT to CRO. Okay, you just type CRO here. You see CRO USDT. So you buy CRO with USDT. If you have USDT on your Mex Global now, just buy CRO with your USDT. So once you have bought the CRO, you would come to your wallet area of your Mex Global or whatever exchange you are using. Then you send that CRO out. You send the CRO out. You withdraw the CRO using the CRO network. Don't forget to select CRO network. You can see ERC20, you have CRO, you have CRONOS. So it's CRONOS network rather that you should send it through. But you can see from Mex Global, you can see that they have actually paused it. So don't let your this thing CRO pause here. Just if you see that if you have done this process before and you see that they've banned withdrawal for the meantime, you can just swap it back to USD and take it to another exchange. So confirm from the exchange you are sending it out through if withdrawal is available or not. So once you just do, the goal is for you to send the CRO out through the CRONOS network. Okay, you paste your address and the total amount of CRONOS you want by using your CRONOS wallet address here. Use the CRONOS wallet address you have here to send, like you used to receive it in this wallet. So once you have received it here, you wait for a while. Once you have received it here, you would have to swap CRO to USDC, but make sure you are not swapping everything. Don't swap everything because you will need what? Network fee. So let's swap. Let's do as if we want to swap. I don't have enough USDC for this, but I just wanted to get the whole picture of the whole thing. So we're going to be using CRONOS swap. All right, you're going to be using CRONOS swap for this. CRONOS swap. is this CRONOS swap that would allow you to swap CRO to what? USDC. So you just connect your wallet, type the amount of CRO you want to convert to USDC or the amount of USDC you need. Alright, so when you swap it, you have successfully bought your what? You have successfully have USDC to buy the domain name. You have USDC to buy the domain name. So you wait for this page to load. I don't know, it's taking a while. Okay, you can see the swap is very easy. So you just change this one. You have CRO here, you are going to change this to USDC. You change it to USDC and you swap the amount you want to swap. First you have to connect your wallet, don't forget about that. You have to connect your wallet. So it's as simple as that. But if you try to connect your wallet, as you can see, when I'm trying to select wallet here, it's not bringing up any option. You can just convert this site to desktop site by clicking on this. You can see I've converted it to desktop site, and I'll try it again. You see it's brought up the MetaMask option, so click on it. Okay, let's try it again. Error connecting. I don't know if it's my network, but make sure you try it. If you have that option, you can just inbox me. So once you have connected it, swap from CRO to USDC. Swap from CRO to USDC, and I believe you should be able to swap it. But if that option is not available, you can also use these options. Wait, I'm coming. You can use mmfinance.swap, or you can use CRODEX. You can use CRODEX. Any of these three options, any of these four options will work well for you to swap this. Okay, so if you need any of these links, it will be dropped in the description below. So the goal is for you to swap CRO to what? USDC. First you have to connect your wallet. Let's try it with this. Okay, you can see it is showing initializing. I think we should use CRODEX. So let's scroll down to where we see MetaMask and would approve the transaction. Next, connect. Okay, so we're going to go back to the site. As you can see, we have connected our wallet. You can see my address here. So we're going to swap CRO to USDC, but I don't have CRO, neither do I have USDC. So let's assume we have done that process. We would come back to our CRONOS domain website and we'll buy it with the USDC. We are just going to click on continue, because by that time we should have enough USDC. So we just click on continue. Once you have bought it, you would approve the transaction. It will probably link you to what? MetaMask, where you have to, approve the transaction again. Then you just follow the last process, which is for you to mint it using your address. You will mint the address, you will mint the domain name with your address. It's as simple as that. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you have any question, do as to ask, and if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you don't like the video, make sure you click the thumbs down button twice to confirm your entry. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.